Alright, check this out, guys. We're doing a transmission replacement on 2015 GMC Acadia, and for this particular car, it seems like you will have to remove, well, an easy way to do it, I guess if you call that easy, is to remove the whole subframe with the motor and suspension to come down in order for you to be able to just swap the transmission. Look at this. It's completely empty. Here it comes with the transmission, as you can see. So the transmission goes on the side of the motor right here. So we're gonna put this transmission right here on the side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that's crazy. You have to remove all of the subframe and the suspension, the motor. You have to drop it down. That's crazy. Is this like the only way to do the transmission replacement on this one?
Yeah.
The best way? Yeah?
Yeah, bro, but it's a crazy.
It's a crazy job, huh?
Yeah, it's because it's a little bit hard.
Yeah?
Yeah, because we need to remove the whole square and the motor put on the ground.
Yeah. The whole frame.
The whole frame.
Insane. That's insane. On this car, actually, I forgot to tell you, it has a evap codes.
Evap code?
You want me to order the purge valve, or you want to check first?
If you want to check first, but
Or just replace it?
Just replace this one and the fuel cap first.
And the fuel cap?
Yeah.
I think we did the fuel cap on it. So just get the purge valve? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll go get it right now.
Right.
Thank you, Brian.
Yep.
That's crazy, yeah.